Hi guys, today we are fixing the fault F78 fault message in the Miele dishwasher, which is a communication error between a PCB and a motor. So in this case, according to the symptoms, it was a motor problem, circulation pump problem for this dishwasher. So we are replacing the circulation pump for this machine. Now we are showing how to replace the circulation pump for this Miele dishwasher. So at first, as you know, like we need to take the dishwasher fully out from the cabinet. So make sure the floors is protected with the towel, so that while you're taking out the dishwasher, it won't get any damage on the floor. And sometimes you just need to get the hose connections from the cabinet, because it won't be long enough to lie down or to put it fully out from the cabinet. So the first thing we need to do after taking the dishwasher out, just lay down on the left side of the dishwasher, because it will always be safe when you lay down on the left side, because right side there will be a electronic and the water tank. In the left side there will be a water tank. If you lie down on the right side, it might get a leakage of water, and there can be a electric hazard. So here we already open the back cover of the dishwasher. Now you can see the motor, and then we are just taking out the wires from some connection of the motor. So you should always remember those connections, otherwise you can always take a picture before you take it out. And now we need to take all the connection. There are three hose connection connected to the motor. So one is the black pipe, which comes from the sump to the motor. And just to have a good room, we always disconnect the drain hose of the dishwasher, and then the other two are the feed pipe for the dishwasher. So make sure you remove it very carefully, because those feed pipes are brittle and you can damage it, and then there will be you need to pay good fortune to replace those things as well. So now you need to be very careful. At the back there will be two rubber things, which is coming out of the dishwasher. So you just press it hard to put it inside, so that you can easily take the circulation pump out of the machine. So here we forgot to, it was not accessible to take the connection from the pressure switch. So after taking the circulation pump, is easier to take those connection. So we always take those connection after taking the circulation pump out from the dishwasher. So now it's time to replace the new one. So this is the new circulation pump we order from Miele, as it always comes with the circulation pump and the pressure switch. And also you can see the washer, the black washer, which is coming with the new circulation pump. So it's always better to put the new ones, because the old one is already tampered with the hot water, and you might get a leak after replacing the circulation pump. So as you know, we had take the wire out from the pressure switch before we after we took the circulation pump. So now we are doing the reverse process. So we put the connection to the pressure switch first before putting the circulation pump back to its positions. So it is a little bit tricky task, so you just need to be very patient and just trying to put the circulation pump back into its position slowly, so that you don't push the back plate so hard, because if you push the back plate so hard, the distance between the sump and the motor will be increased, and there will be a gap. So from that gap there can be a leaking. There can be a possible leaking after you put the dishwasher back. So you always need to be very careful in those situations. So as you can see, we put those connection exactly where it was before. So we put the feeder pipe and those connection to the earthing and then heater, everything. So before putting the back cover mm, back cover out. We just need to I mean like put the all the hoses properly, and then see if there is a leaking or not by running the shorter cycle. And maybe it's always better to you know, like better to run it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And then the best thing is to do the inlet and draining everything possible, because in like there will be a different cycle in the dishwasher, so you just need to know in every cycle there was no leak at all. So now we are testing to see if there is a any leaking or all, and also like if we get the F78 error message or not. And this is the a new thing the Miele is sending to us, because the feed pipes are getting ruptured time and often, I mean like in a very common basis. So they are just sending us the plastic bit to cover the feed pipe so that they don't have the common issues. And I think with that ad they are protecting the new feed, I mean the feed pipes from the dishwasher to get ruptured and get leaked inside the dishwasher. So we already put everything back in and tested okay. So now we are going to put the back cover and then put the dishwasher into the cabinet. So this is all it, guys. So we replace the circulation pump for the Miele dishwasher. Please like and subscribe our videos if you really like us, and then please give us some motivation for posting the next videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.